Page 70, Transformer 1. On page 70, we're getting our improv idea number 11. This has to do with rhythm. We're going to alter the rhythm some more. Basically, it is taking a long note and splitting it up into shorter notes. They should give you examples at the top. They got half notes in the first part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Then you split it up into quarter notes. Just one. Just repeat the notes. That's improvising. You changed it. And the second one, you take those quarter notes, split those up into eighth notes. However you want to do it. And you mix them up. We'll add this to all your other improvising ideas. This gives you more stuff to do. In Transformer 1, they have asterisks over the top staff there for the right hand. And they're telling you split those notes up. So those half notes become quarter notes. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, you're going to play quarter notes. 1, 2, just repeat them. And then the quarter notes become eighth notes. On the second line, they've kind of written the improv out, I guess, as near as I can tell. Because it's the same as the top line, except this time they've written everything out. The only difference is the last note. They've added a final note, a G on the end, to end it off. So it's a big deal, I guess. The idea is read the first line but improvise on it. Go ahead and split those up. And other than that, there isn't a lot of anything going on here. This is just giving you another suggestion on how to improvise something. There's one little tricky spot I want to point out in the left hand. In the second line, you see the third measure over the fingering is a 3-1. You're in this position, so you're going to play the B with the third finger, immediately put your thumb on it. This way you're in position for the E coming up. So you're moving around a little bit in the left hand there, the last two measures of the second line. So let's just check this Transformer 1. Let's go ahead and do it. It has a repeat sign, so we're going to play it twice. So we're going to improvise the first line. We're going to split them up. Then we're going to play the second line as written. Then we're going to repeat those two lines, do them again. Let's just do it slowly just to make sure we got it. I'll give us 4 counts. Your hands are here and here. Okay. 1, 2, ready, go.